Good morning and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing in a video on a BMW 335D Saloon. So we'll have a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the options and spec we have on this stunning white 335 diesel. So of course, starting off which we have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. And of course we've gone for the gloss black pack, which looks a really nice colour contrast of the white of the body colour. This vehicle features a wide array of options and extras, so we'll be sure to get through them as quick as possible. However, I do want to get through them in some detail as well. So there's the LED headlamps, which you can see in operation. Moving around to the side of the car, we have the 20-inch competition alloys, which we've just freshly fitted here. They are brand new alloys with brand new tyres. They still have the remaining tyre pressure monitoring system. Do make a really nice addition to the Saloon. One of my absolute favourite alloys we do have and fit here at Your Next Car. Inside the car we have a beautiful black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. This vehicle is a really clean and tidy example inside and out, which again is thanks to the low mileage and the age of the car. The back we have the privacy glass for that added security and the executive look that you do benefit from that. One of the rare options that the vehicle does have is the split folding seats, which is quite a rare option on the 3 Series Saloon. Again, if we just pop that up, you'll see that it is a nice clean tidy example in the back as well. Of course we've got the usual performance sidebars, side decals and side vinyls of course. Moving around into the boot, if you've not yet seen the boot space on the 3 Series Saloon, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how large it is. And of course, thanks to this vehicle having that drop seats, you'll be have that added space if needed to be. Shutting down the boot, we've got the rear performance boot spoiler and the rear diffuser. Of course, being a 66 reg, it's still under manufacturer's warranty. You do also get some beneficial upgrade within the Idrive system, which we'll get through in just a moment. There's the LED rear tail lights. Of course, here at Your Next Car, we are able to offer some outstanding finance deals and packages if they are required. We use such established lenders with MotoNovo Finance, Alphera and Santander. We do have a full finance guide, and you can also apply for finance directly through our website, as well as of course doing it all in-house or over the phone if it is required. However, we are happy to facilitate if you do want to get your own finance, or if you do not need it, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so let's get on inside the car now and let's get you through into some of the interior features and options, which this vehicle has a lot of. Starting the car up, of course, as I mentioned, we've got the heated seats. There is the odometer reading, which you can see there. It has covered just over 20,000 miles. And if you do watch the odometer, you will see that it has got heated steering wheel. Very nice feature to have, especially at this time of the year. I'll just give you a little show of that around there. So as well as the heated seats, it's got the heated steering wheel. As I mentioned, it's got the newer facelifted iDrive, very nice feature to have. Built into that is a few newer features. One of the biggest features in that is the connected drive online search, and that's powered by Google. So basically that's like using your phone, however it's built into your car. You've got the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, cruise control, voice recognition, voice activation. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, and I'll now give you a quick little demonstration of the Google search. And of course you can use the voice input, as I now try and demonstrate for you.
After the tone.
Your next car.
Your next car was selected.
So there we have it.
Continue using manual control.
So I can now search for us, and it'll bring up a little link to our web page. It'll also give us an option to go directly into the sat nav, so it'll punch in the directions and postcode, etc. There we go. Brings up a little image of our web page, telephone number, and of course opening hours as well. Very handy if you are on the go in your car, you're looking for restaurants, shops, etc. Very useful feature, saves you having to pull over and use your phone, and of course you can use that in motion pretty much very safely. Rear reversing camera, again another very beneficial aid. We've got DAB radio, Bluetooth communications and media. Okay, that's just going to be about it from me here on the white 335 Diesel Saloon. Absolutely stunning vehicle, and if you do have any further questions on this car or any of our other current stock, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. Okay, that's it from me guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you very soon. Take care. Thank you.